So today we see as per yesterday's practice, as I said that you got some error right while creating customer. Let me try to show you, okay, why we are getting error. This customer, the sales area is not defined or customer is not defined, some kind of error. Okay, if you come here, this is our sales and distribution. If you come here, there is something called master data. In this, there are the two things are there. This functionality is given by SAP. Most of the times, 99% real time, no one is going to implement until unless if any special requirement. I was part of around eight projects now. Till I didn't see application, but this is fun actually if you test it. So if you come here, there is something concept called common distribution channels and common divisions. Okay. So common distribution channel in the sense, okay, let's take an example. We go to our sales organization 2727. Okay. So if you see, this is sales organization, this is distribution channel. For distributor, okay, technically I'm just trying to explain you, but why they are not implementing in real time, that also I will explain you. For example, so distribution conditions means your pricing. Okay, you keep it later. As of now we didn't discuss. So there is something called customer distribution channel, customer distribution channel material. Okay, distribution channel customer means like whether he is a distributor or retailer or wholesaler for customer. In the similar way, like this material, to whom you are going to sell it. You would like to sell to your customer, you'd like to sell to distributor, or else some premium goods are there that only directly selling to corporate distribution channels. Like that, materials also will be created. So through which channel you are doing your sales actually. So here you have a doubt like what is common distribution channel and common division. It is simple. The sales area, the sales organization, distribution channel, okay, is there. You can able to create a distributor. In the similar way, 1 second, it is got disconnected. So if you see, let's go to our sales area. It's got disconnected, right? Okay. So now if you see this distribution channel distributor, the same channel, if I use it, okay, same channel if I use it for my customer and material, okay. So for example, it is 27, okay. If I try to keep it 27, here also for retailer also, if I keep it 27, automatically suppose if I create a customer now, okay, by using the same channel, it automatically will be extended means like, so instead of 28 27, if I create in 27 also, it will be available for 28 also. If I create it for 27 also, it will be available for 29. Like this is the concept. Let's try to take out this first. Okay, before checking the concept, I'm just taking out. I'm by default it is assigned, right? In your system, this setting won't be available for the error which you are getting. Okay, let me delete this. Let me save this. Okay, so okay, it is asking, but for your error, all these three will be blank. Okay, so but here they made a setup by default. Okay, let me put it here. I'm just keeping the same thing, so let's give a test for this. Okay, so that means if I create any customer now, okay, any new customer, I can able to use it as a wholesaler or retailer also. Let's go back. In the similar way, you have a common division. Okay, Common division in the sense, like suppose if you have multiple divisions, you can able to use it, but we don't have such kind of scenario. Okay, let's try to keep it. What is our division? 2727, right? Our sales organization 2727. If you come here, so this is commonly assigned. For example, you have two divisions like 27 and 28. So instead of creating more master data, you can, if you create it for your conditions or customer for that particular division, so it will be automatically extended to another division also. Okay, here 27 is there. Let's try to assume. You take this example. Someone has created 2730. In this, he has created so many divisions: 01, 02, 04, 06, 07. So instead of assigning separate division, like I need to create a customer. The same customer can be utilized all these divisions. That means all division of the products I can able to use it. So here one thing is that division conditions, that means pricing. At the time of pricing, suppose if you maintain pricing condition for this division, okay, automatically it will be applicable for other divisions also. Just keep it apart. So let's try to check practically how it works. Common distribution channel and common division. Division, we have only one division, right? So let's come here XD01. So let's take our account group D0001. Within that, I'm just taking the company code. Okay, so I'm just taking distribution channel division. Anyhow, I have, and the similar same concept. Say account group is external number, and yesterday we have changed. We didn't change it. Okay, let's go to SPRO again. Let's try to get the changes back. What we have done for checking external customer, right? We just made a change. I'm just resetting back account receivable and account payable, customer accounts, master data. Within that, if you come here, preparation for creating customer master data. So in that, assign number ranges for customer accounts. Okay. So within that 2727 is there. So what is that? Not 27. Our says account group is D001. Sorry. Let's come here. So instead of D2, I'm just making it as a D1. Okay. This also I will make it as a D1. For to show the difference, I have created two kind of number ranges, internal and external. Now let's go to XD01 now. Okay. Press enter. It's internal. Mr. So the company brand Q limited. Okay, so let's try to put the sets term. Same thing. Why I'm keeping this sets term, you'll come to know in another few minutes, or else maybe tomorrow. I'll try to get into that. Okay, let's choose this, and let's choose this guy is from Londonism. Okay, let's go to the company code. Okay, let's go to the sales area data. Let's enter. I'm just giving this one. So shipping is like something like I'm giving. So let's come here, press enter. I'm giving taxable. Okay, if is taxable, then partner functions, it is internal number range. So I'm saving this. So now what you got a customer with this one. Okay, let me try to go to the display mode, change mode and display mode. You can go here. Okay, I'm copying this customer. Now let's see the fun with this. Okay, so okay, so I'm giving order. If I enter this, if you see what is my sales area, 2727 2727, automatically it is coming. Okay, so let's try to keep it 28. Okay, This is wholesale. Press enter. Enter the same customer. Now see. So, but actually for wholesale, we haven't created. But it will be like, common distribution channel means the same channel I can able to use it for 100 channels. For example, in your company, like, 100 divisions are there. Every division, if you'd like to extend the customer, like, one customer you created, the same customer you have to take to every division, means like, 100 times you have to create it for 100 divisions for buying those products. On instead, what you can do, you can able to extend it in the similar way. Common distribution, even distribution channel also in the similar way. Okay, so let me show you this thing. Let me put it for retailer also. I put it distribution channel and an example for your understanding. Okay, so what it is saying, okay, for this first thing is that for this order has not been defined for this sales area. If it comes, what I said, we have to go to this configuration. Come here, sales and distribution. Within that, sales documents, sales document header. So now if you come here, what is that? Assign sales area to sales document types. Let's make a note it down, this one. If you get this error, you have to resolve this on your own. So now if you see 2727, I already assigned, no problem. So come to distribution channel. What is the distribution channel? Like 29, we got error. Okay, 2727. So for 2727, for 2929, it is got assigned. In the similar way, go to the common division. So 2727, for this 27 is assigned. Okay, these, why I'm showing repeatedly, like, you have to do all these three settings, then you come to this setting. Finally, this, because of this setting is missing for sales area. See, sales order types permitted for sales areas, we are restricting actually. If above those three settings is not maintained, you need not maintain this setting also. So every document type it is allowed. Okay, let's come here. So what is this? As of now, 27, for 27, what is this? OR is assigned. Okay, let's come here. 2727. So for this, reference distribution channel is 29. For 29, we are getting error. Okay, so let's come here. What is the division? Division is 27. What is the sales document type? OR. Okay, I'm saving this. Now let's go back and try to enter this with the same customer. See, I'm not created customer in this distribution channel. For 28, I haven't created, 29, I haven't created, but still now it is allowing, right? Your document up. Now if you enter, so for this customer, no pricing procedure could be determined. Okay, let's, if you get this error, go to OVKK. Okay, so let's go to the 2727, 28 and 20. See, 28 and 27 for that price maintained. For 29, we haven't maintained. So that's why you got error. So let's try to change it to 29. We just try to remember blindly, but in another 15 days, you can able to do it. Why we are doing this one? Like, why we have to assign sales area for document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure and the respective pricing procedure. If you want, someone has created periodic billing or something like that, you can able to create it on your own. Don't worry about this thing. Okay, now let's try to create a sales order now. See, if you come here, you can able to see 29, it is allowing. So what is the setting for this? We used our distribution channel as a common distribution channel for that customer. Any distribution channel, he can able to enter it. So in your system, you got error, right? First error you are getting, like, sales area is not defined for this customer. What is the reason for this? You have to come to sales and distribution. There is something called master data. This is the place where you will find blank actually. That's why you are getting error. I don't want to use common distribution channel. Let me try to replace it back. So this is for even pricing, like if you maintain, I'll show you that one condition, you can able to do it. Okay, let's do it to 29. This one, the center. I'm just copying this. So I'll just do this one. Okay. So that means I'm not using common distribution channel and common division. So, but if both places, if it is blank, means you whatever the error you are getting, that is the error you are getting. Let me try to show you now. See, sorry. Let me try to show you the sales order now. What the system says. If I put it this retail channel, if I enter this, see, sales area is redetermined. That means, hey boss, customer is not created for 29, only created for 27. You would like to do it. If you say so, it is coming for only 27. It won't come like 29. So to resolve this error, common distribution channel, common division, you have to assign accordingly. In the similar way, you can try for division for testing actually. So this setting is important. You should know, like where it will be useful. SAP has given this beautiful feature, but most of the times real time I didn't find the relevance of this feature. But in future, like if you would like to what I would say, if you would like to use your own implementation methodology for any customer, like more divisions or more distribution channels are there, but same customer should be available to all channels, then such a case you can able to use it. Distribution channel we discussed for our example, retail, wholesale and distribution. But in some projects, one of my projects, they have used it like shop sales on distribution channel. That means only shop selling happen, customer is going to shops and he is taking order. There is something called TO, take order means. Take order means customer only coming to distributor and he is picking the stock. There is something called van sales. Stock, if van is going to certain street and putting the stock, like in FMCG, if you see Horlicks or like if you go for Rexona, all this, so some van is coming to the Kirana shops and they are putting some stock, right? That is called van sales, like in one of my project actually. The similar way, like what customer is looking for, you have to think about it. Okay, that's it about to solve the error, common distribution channels and common division.